Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix heating problem in your Tecno Pop 9 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings. Click on App Management. Tap on this app list. First, you have to just click on search. Here you have to write system. Then here it is, Android system. Tap on it, clear cache and clear storage, give all the permissions and simply press back. Then again you have to go to search. Here you have to write Google Play Services. You have to tap on it and clear cache and clear data and give all the permissions. Here it will fix your problem and then you have to restart your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.